Hi Grizzlies, it's me again, Mrs. Salazar, and I want to talk to you about some more Chapter 9 content, specifically inequalities. An inequality is used whenever we have an unequal statement. So if I was trying to say 2 and 5, those are not the same numbers, they would be unequal. So here we go. Not equal, all right? Yeah, I'm trying not to cover my face. So this is not equal to. Now another inequality we use is right here, less than. Okay, what does it mean when something's less than? Well, 1 is less than 7, okay? This means less than. Less than points this way. Okay, another one is greater than. Yes, greater than. Greater than points the other way, all right? So like 12 is greater than -2. Okay, now this is what gets kids sometimes confused. We have right here, greater than or equal. See the equal, it means the numbers could be greater than something or equal to, okay? And we use that a lot in algebra. And here we have less than or equal, okay? Now, let's talk about the significance of this because we have to graph this. Now, when we're just dealing with x, we're dealing with graphs on the number line or the x line. So if I had, let me get this organized. If I had x equals 3, it would look like this. We put the dot on the 3 and we're done. X equals 3. But what if I had x is greater than 3? Well, what's greater than 3? 4, 5, 6, 7, 3.1, 3.2, 3.05. Well, a lot of numbers are greater than 3. So then we show all these numbers here that go this direction, okay, we're increasing, that is greater than x. I mean, not x, greater than 3. And notice there's an open circle on the 3. On the equal, it's a closed circle. On the greater than, it's an open circle. If we had x is less than 3 right here, well, now we're going the opposite direction. All these numbers are smaller than 3. So we have like 2.99999, that's smaller than 3, and 1.5 and 1 and 0, negative numbers. Those are all less than 3. And again, we have an open circle, okay? We close the circle when we see the equal bar. So if we have right here, x is less than or equal to 3, we close in the circle and we still draw that line to show that all these numbers are less than 3, but we close the circle on 3 because we have that equal sign. So it could equal 3 or it could be less than 3. And over here, when we have x is greater than or equal to 3, we close in that circle because we have that equal sign. All right, we close in the circle and then we go this direction because all those numbers are greater than 3. All right, I hope that helps. If you have any questions or comments or concerns, please leave a comment. All right, have a great weekend. All right, bye.